Hello and welcome to our Chennai 98 YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about Evernote web app, the ultimate note-taking solution. Whether you are a student, a professional, or just someone who needs to stay organized, Evernote is the perfect tool for you. Let's dive in and explore all the amazing features it has to offer. What is Evernote web app? Evernote web app is a cloud-based note-taking tool that lets you store and organize notes, documents, images, and other types of content in one place. With Evernote, you can access your notes from any device, collaborate with others, and stay organized. Creating notes. Creating notes in Evernote web app is easy. You can use the text editor to write notes, add images, and format text. You can also use the web clipper to save articles, web pages, and other content directly to your Evernote account. Organizing notes. Organizing your notes is a breeze in Evernote web app. You can use notebooks to group related notes together, add tags to notes for easy searching, and use shortcuts to access frequently used notes quickly. You can also use the search function to find notes by keyword, tag, or other criteria. Collaborating with others. Evernote web app also allows you to collaborate with others. You can share notes or notebooks with others, and work on them together in real time. This makes it easy to work on projects, share ideas, and get feedback from others. Additional features. In addition to the basic features, Evernote web app has many additional features that make it a powerful tool for productivity. You can use the reminders feature to set reminders for notes, use templates to create notes quickly, and use the presentation mode to present your notes to others. Evernote pricing plans. Evernote offers a range of pricing plans to suit your needs, including a free plan and paid plans with additional features. Paid plans start at $7.99 per month and include features like offline access, unlimited devices, and more. For businesses, Evernote offers a range of team and enterprise plans with additional collaboration and security features. In conclusion, Evernote web app is a powerful note-taking tool that can help you stay organized and boost your productivity. Whether you are a student, a professional, or just someone who needs to stay on top of things, Evernote has something for everyone. So, give it a try and see how it can change your life for the better. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and productivity tips. Don't forget to share this video with others who might find it useful. See you in the next video.